Do you always give up very easily? Hi, my name is Dougles Chan. Today I'm going to share some insights about what could be the possible reason why people give up so easily. So if you come to a situation whereby many of your life in a certain process, in your relationship, in your business, in your career, you tend to give up very easily. There could be a real reason behind it. After I learned this thing called the Qimen Dunjia many years back, I realized that there's a certain patterns, there's certain energy that involved in different people. And because of that, every one of us have a kind of sort of energy behind it. So much so that this energy is going to create a lot of problem, a lot of situation for some people. And this could be you. And it have happened to me last time, whereby this particular group of energy, we call it a destroyer energy. What does this destroyer energy stand for is that when everything that we do, most of the time, we will tend to give up. And the reason of giving up is always there's a valid reason behind it, or there could be a series of reasons behind it. So much so is that whatever time you give up on certain things, there will be a real reason and you'll be able to substantiate because of that. But after many months or many years when you look back, if you were to decide not to give up, then things may change. You see, so in certain people, there will be this thing called the destroyer under their umbrella. That means their life in their, they call it the Qimen destiny chart. And if a person have this destroyer in their life, there is always this thing happening whereby people give up easily. And because of that, this is going to create a lot of chain reaction for the relationship, business, career, so on and so forth. And what happens if you are able to control it? If you are able to control this particular thing called the destroyer, then apparently we are able to make our life even much more better. And this destroyer actually kind of create a lot of problem for me many years back. In fact, for the last easily more than 20 years. And I don't know that there's such a destroyer inside me. And after I discovered it, I realized that there is a big issue inside. And from there, once I acknowledge it and realize that this is a problem, I start to change. I start to try to control this destroyer. And it becomes better every month, every year, and so on and so forth. And make my life actually become much more smoother comparatively to other years whereby it's like a roller coaster for my life. You see, so it's good to understand this destroyer under this thing called the Qimen Dunjia destiny reading. And because of that, I'm able to help a lot of people to identify their problem also. So everybody have their own set of issues. It could be a destroyer, it could be a bandit star, it could be anything else, or a combination of any of the symbols within. So end of the day is this. Once you realize that the problem beneath it, then you're able to control it and manage it. That is the ultimate purpose of this Qimen Dunjia. And it can be very powerful because once you identify the problem, then you can manage it. The problem is, are you able to identify the real issue? Because it's like a health issue. If you're not able to identify the real problem, how are you able to solve the problem? You see, so Qimen Dunjia are able to help you in this aspect. So I will urge you to explore more into this Qimen Dunjia destiny chart, within yourself, so much so that you can discover what is your problem, what is your strong point, and how you're able to manage all this to maximize potential of yourself. Okay, thank you very much for watching this video. My name is Dougles Chan.